Here is how to delete your Fantasy Premier League account. So for that, you need to go ahead and launch your FPL application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into that specific account which you want to delete. Also make sure that the app is up to date. Now click on the More button from the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select My PL settings. Here select My account from the top. Now select Delete Account, which is below the account security option. Then select Continue, and this will take you to account.premierleague.com. Remember that your account will be permanently deleted within 21 days of deletion, but if you come back and log in manually into your account, it will be reactivated. And after your account is deleted, all of your information, data, and everything that is stored in your account will be deleted permanently. If you're sure you want to continue, select Continue, which is highlighted in white color, and you'll be done. Now your account will be scheduled for deletion, and after 21 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.